Hello, I'm Rob Halfon, the Minister for Skills, Apprenticeships and Higher Education. I'm really pleased you've watched this year's spectacular Big Assembly and taken the opportunity to learn why, like me, so many people believe apprenticeships are such an exciting option for you, your career and your future. I know tens of thousands of people across England tuned into this event at homes, in offices and in classrooms. Today you've heard it from the experts, apprentices at all stages of their careers, as well as leaders at some of the country's biggest organisations. You've heard their inspirational stories about how apprenticeships provide the skills, experience and knowledge to ignite people's career dreams. There's never been a more thrilling time to gain the skills you need to forge your career and transform your life. Indeed, the options have never been greater. Many apprenticeships are perfect for those looking for their first job after leaving full-time education. These include career starter apprenticeships, which are found in all job sectors, from health to construction, from teaching to technology. They don't require any previous work experience to get started, and they often lead to rewarding long-term careers. The amazing thing is that there are over 600 different apprenticeship roles out there. There really is something for everyone. Apprenticeships provide that first step on the ladder of opportunity to really great prospects, enabling you to climb rung by rung towards greater earning potential and future prosperity. You can earn while you learn. You don't have to pay fees or take out a loan. And at the same time, you get brilliant hands-on experience in your chosen industry. All apprenticeship costs are paid for by the employer and the government, and apprenticeships are on offer in the largest companies or with smaller local employers. There are apprenticeships from GCSE to university degree level. So whatever your final qualifications are, when you leave school or college, there are opportunities waiting for you. I hope you've learned enough about apprenticeships in the Big Assembly to give you confidence and backing when making your future career decisions. If you want to secure the skills, industry expertise and a job in your favourite type of industry, it's all about 3 words: high quality apprenticeships. To find out more, go to www.apprenticeships.gov.uk. You'll be able to listen to video stories from a range of apprentices, browse apprenticeship opportunities by location and sector of interest, and read all about the benefits apprenticeships provide. The site has everything you need to make the best choice on your future. Thank you.